Hey guys, I wanted to take a minute to go ahead and check in with y'all and give you some updates and give you some information that I know, which unfortunately isn't much, but I wanted to give it opportunity to just check in with you guys. First off, I really do hope that everyone in your family, all of your friends, are healthy. I know that what's happening at this time is just unreal and definitely unprecedented, and we kind of are just going with it one day at a time. As far as myself and my family, we're so far so good, other than being at home and trying to stay positive. So, with us moving to virtual learning, I wanted to give you some updates about the AP test. I wanted to try and give you some updates about some information that's probably going to get pushed out to you guys soon. And then also show you some stuff, some optional stuff that you can do on Blend if you truly are very bored. So let's talk about the AP test because there's a few changes that I want to make sure that y'all are aware of. So, for one, the AP test is definitely going to be offered, which is definitely a major silver lining. When all of this was going on, I truly was concerned that College Board was just going to refund y'all and make you just take the test next year, which would be a very big obstacle and very difficult to remember all of the content. So, the fact that they're offering the test is a huge bonus. However, the test is going to change. So, one thing that's changing is now the test is only going to cover from periods 1 to period 7. And we've already covered up until that point. So, we are ahead of the game. Okay. So, it's going to go from colonization to World War II. Okay. The second big change is that the test now will be administered at home and it's only 45 minutes long. We don't know exactly what it's going to entail, but we do know there will be absolutely no multiple choice. So we have a hunch that it's going to be the short answer question section because the short answer question on the AP test is already 45 minutes. So we're thinking they're going to have you do 3 short answer questions. That way they can test you over 3 time periods, and it will be all writing. The last major change is that they're actually offering 2 test dates, which again, we do not know. We're going to get those test dates on April 3rd. But I really do want and encourage you to take the early test date. Taking it early will allow you to get it over with. It'll allow you to keep that content fresh in your brain, and make sure that you feel good, and then you can be done with it and we can just kind of learn at free will for the rest of the year. So those are the major changes to APUSH, to the test. I am going to show you guys a few review things that we're going to make available to you today in case you are bored and you truly do want to start getting ahead of the game. So I'm going to switch over to the next video because my time limit's about to be cut and show you the review information that will be available on Blend.